Hello everyone, Jordan from Superwall, and today I'm going to show you two awesome features we just added to our SDK. This is for iOS and also for Android. These deal with two things that you're going to run into quite a bit when you're trying to run promotions or try and grow your ratings or reviews. So first off, we now have a new presentation style for pop-ups. Also drawers. That's been around for a little bit, but it's more lesser known. So pop-ups are great for like those one-time offers or something where you're really trying to capture someone's attention and take an action on something. Now, on the other hand, requesting reviews, that one's pretty simple. You see this a lot on paywalls or onboarding, whatever it is, to try and grow your ratings. If you get the user at just the right time after they've maybe done a great action or whatever it is, you can request a review. Now, typically these are hard to test, especially on Android, but we've got you covered there with a flag that you can add in Superwall options to show a mock review. So all that said, let me go ahead and boot up our resident testing app, Caffeine Pal here, and we'll take a look at what we've got. So if you look at the simulator right now, not too much going on, but I've hooked up a touch event to fire a campaign to show a new paywall. There it is. But, you know, it's not very exciting. It certainly gets the job done, but this is something that I want to show up as a pop-up. So what I'll do is I'll head over to this paywall. It's this one right here. And over in settings, you just go to your presentation style. I'm going to say this is a pop-up, and right away we'll get a preview of what that looks like. Obviously, some UI tweaks we need to make here, and we can also tweak the corner radius. I'm going to pump that up to 32, especially with iOS 26. That seems to be the style. And then I'm going to remove this nav bar. So our SDK is going to present this in such a way that the user can dismiss when they tap outside of it, just like any other pop-up would work. Let's see. Let's remove some of this top margin here too. Maybe put that to not 326, maybe 16. Actually, let's just remove it. Okay, this looks good. This is what I want. I'm just going to hit publish, and that should go live. Now, what's going to happen is for demonstration purposes, I've just put this in a touches began placement. So what that means is as soon as someone taps anywhere on the app, it's going to fire that placement. And since I don't have any campaign filters here, that means it's going to match and show to everybody. So what should happen is when we fire up Caffeine Pal again, as soon as I tap anywhere on the screen, we should get that same paywall. But now the paywall should look a little bit better, right? We should have that new style of the pop-up. So let's tap here and see what we get. And sure enough, there it is, our one-time offer. I could claim it here and convert, but for now, I'll just tap out of it. So another thing that I wanted to talk about was those reviews. So let's say if I take this action and I have a new paywall, I have this new Love Caffeine Pal, leave us a review prompt. So how does that work? Well, super easy on that one too. That's just a tap action. So I could come in here and add it anywhere I need. As you can see, we've got this new tap behavior. It's called Request Store Review. And you can configure a few things here. We could do a rating prompt or kick it out to a written review. And the difference there is like, we'll try to show the platform native rating prompt if you choose rating prompt, which is what I'm going to use. Or you can kick it out to a written review, which typically opens the platform app store and pops up the written review prompt. Since Caffeine Pal is not a real app, I'm just going to stick with this. But we can go over to the app and see that if I tap there, there's my prompt. So two amazing capabilities that we have. You can do pop-ups, and you can also do actions for any sort of rating or review, and you can test those easily on the simulator, test flight, whatever it is, on Android and iOS. So go ahead. Now's a great time to test this. As I'm recording, Black Friday is coming up, so it's a very big seasonal event, so it's a perfect time to try this out. Give it a try. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on this video or reach us on social media or on our website as well. So we look forward to seeing what you're building, and thanks for watching.